Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to make a lovely soft and spongy berry cake in the pan without oven. Berries are loaded with nutritional powers. It is rich in fiber and it helps fight inflammation and many more. And I hope you like this recipe. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make berry cake. For this recipe we need a non-stick pan. To this I'm adding 30 grams of butter. If the flame is on high, butter will tend to burn, so keep the flame on low. I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of palm sugar. You can also add white sugar. Just mix well. Sugar has to dissolve. I'm adding a cup of fresh blueberries and a cup of chopped strawberries. We don't want the berries to be fully cooked. Just saute it for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. When you eat the cake, you will get a nice bite on it. While the berries are cooking, let's quickly make a cake batter. Let's start a cake batter by whisking 2 eggs and 60 grams of sugar. Whisk it for a minute, let it combine well. Add 60 ml of any unflavored oil. Add 150 ml of milk. Whisk again for a minute. This is 200 grams of plain flour. To that I am adding half a tablespoon of baking powder and quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix and add it to the wet ingredients. The flour which we are adding will differ from place to place. So if you feel that your batter is thick, go ahead and add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk to get that pouring consistency. Give a nice whisk until you get a lump-free batter. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix well. Now our batter is ready, smooth and silky. Let's pour the cake batter on the berries. Cover the pan with a lid and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on a low flame. It's almost 15 minutes. Now let's check our cake. I'm getting a nice appetizing aroma. I think the cake is done. Let's check it. Toothpick is clean, so it's a sign that a cake is done. Using a thin spatula, ease out the sides so that it will be easy for us to flip the cake. Place a plate on top, hold it carefully and flip it to the other side. Berries are not fully cooked, you can see the berries, that's how we need it. I'm adding some chopped pistachios on top of the cake. You can add any nuts of your liking. You will love the combination of the nuts, fruits and the cake. It's absolutely delightful. Cover and cook for 2 more minutes. If there is any moisture, it will evaporate. Berry cake is done and it's absolutely amazing. Transfer it to a plate, let it cool down completely. The cake is so soft and fluffy. I'll cut and show you. Try this quick and simple berry cake. It's so soft and moist and it's a perfect tea time snack and can be done without oven or microwave. And it's a easy snack box recipe. Surprise your kids with this quick and healthy snack. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.